All right, good morning, you guys. This is it. This is your final class. This is going to be an overview, and then the major project will be in a different video, as we have been doing up until this point. So I'm just going to go over the syllabus for you. This is Nursing Theories with Vulnerable Pops. We'll be looking at your professional role, how to transform into a leader. When you care for vulnerable populations, we'll talk about health promotion, risk prevention, disease prevention. All right, here's the outcomes, the prereqs, and then the clinical hours. So you need 12. 8 in a community setting, which I'm not sure if any of you work in a community setting. And then 4 of them will be in the simulation that we'll do on week 6. All right. Given the current climate, let me know if you have trouble getting in somewhere to do these hours. All right. If I don't hear from you, I'm going to expect that you've been able to do them. All right, so the course evaluation will be done on the group project. The group project will build off of the project we did in 366, and I'll do another video about that. Your final summation of community health-based simulation, that's fancy for the thing we do in week 6. Your nursing philosophy paper, and the completion of your 12 hours. All right. This stuff is stuff that's in every syllabus. I'm just trying to find. All right, and then we go into week 1, week 2, which is also on Moodle, which I'll go through in a minute. And then the weeks, I'm just looking for the philosophy paper. Oh, the journal. You have to do a journal with your, one journal with your 8 hours. Okay, so, oops, sorry. Your journal will be about your clinical experience. All right, so you'll look at what you did, why it was important, and what does that mean for your future in nursing. You can write it as a blog style, but you need 2 scholarly articles. Okay, I want the dates and times, correct APA. Okay, that's the journal. You complete the journal after you complete your clinical hours. This I'll go over in a different video. And this is your nursing philosophy. So it's 2-page analysis of your philosophy. Talk a little bit about how your thinking may or may not have changed with this program. I want you to review what you thought nursing was, how theory has been integrated into your practice now. I want some specific examples. And then, you write your paper, you give me your reference page, and then in back of that, I want this self-assessment. Okay, so you're going to write your paper, you're going to put your resources, and then you're going to copy and paste this onto your document and answer these questions and submit that all together. All right, so we'll take a look at our Moodle site. This video will be here along with the aggregate project overview. When I get it recorded, will be here. Here are your clinical forms. Here are some free and low-cost clinics for those of you in the area. And here are some places where we have contracts. This project resource is just an example of a project that has been done in the past. Here's your Dropbox. So you have your nursing philosophy. It goes here. Your aggregate project that you'll do together goes here, but you'll submit one. Okay, because it's a group project. The self-assessment for the big project is here, and that's where the document lies, and I'll go more into detail with that when we have that other video. Your clinical journal gets posted here, and all your clinical forms go in this live text link. So week 1, we'll talk about nursing and community health, which is pretty big right now with COVID. We'll talk about elder abuse, and then there's a forum. And then we'll talk a little bit about epidemiology, which is also big right now. And then we'll get into vulnerability and who is a vulnerable population. And then you'll give me a vulnerability infograph. Ethics and social justice and our role in that. Week 5, I give you that week back that you can work together on your project, get your clinical hours done. In week 6, we talk about water. Okay, so you're going to watch these videos and then you're going to do this community health simulation. You can look at that. And then we get into public policy, which is huge right now. Right? You do the final discussion, you do the course eval, you give me some feedback. Week 8, all you have to do on week 8 then is post your project and then your self-assessment. All right, so there's the overview of the course, and there'll be another video talking about the aggregate project specifically.